Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Casual Flow Shop channel. Today, we're excited to showcase a winter essential, the men's color block fleece-lined winter coat. If you're looking for a coat that's not only comfortable and warm but also stylish, stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's start with the features of this incredible coat. It's made from high-quality, 100% polyester, perfect for protecting you against the cold. Plus, it has a modern color block pattern that adds a contemporary touch to a classic winter coat. Who doesn't want to stand out in style? This coat also comes with a built-in hood, giving you extra protection against the wind and cold. And with a regular fit, it offers comfort and freedom of movement, making it easy to layer over different outfits. This coat doesn't just look good, it also comes with some amazing benefits. Its fleece lining provides excellent heat retention, keeping you warm even in the coldest temperatures. It's incredibly versatile, whether you're wearing it for a casual outing or a more formal event. And, of course, it's made from durable materials, so you can count on it to last through several winters. Now, let's talk styling. For a casual look, try pairing it with jeans and boots. For a more formal style, layer it over a dress shirt and pants. This coat adapts to any setting. And don't forget the accessories. A scarf and gloves in complementary colors can take your winter look to the next level. Let's hear what our customers are saying. Juan says, "This coat is incredibly warm and comfortable. Plus, I love the style." Thanks for the review, Juan. Our customers' opinions are our best endorsement. If you're interested in grabbing this coat, it's currently available on our online store. You can find it in various sizes, and there's a size guide on the page to help you pick the perfect fit. Visit the link in the description for all the details and a quick, secure checkout. To sum it up, here's why this winter coat is the perfect addition to your wardrobe: warmth, style, comfort, and durability, all in one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all our fashion and style content. Got any questions about the coat? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help. See you in the next video from Casual Flow Shop.